It was started by my father, and his name is Louis. You've met him before,
Yep.
obviously. And
Shout out to Louis.
and he's I got into business with him maybe 5 or 6 years ago. I think I can't remember exactly, but he's taught me quite a bit since then, and now I'm trying to just keep the company going and make it easy for him.
Is he gonna retire?
Not for a long time. A common issue would be sometimes. I hate to say it, but handymen that come to,
Aha.
you hire a handyman to come do your whole roof, and the next thing you know, you got nails improperly placed, exposed to the rain, and
Yep.
then, you pay a handyman this much money, and then now you have to pay it twice for doing it over again, because it's like finding a nail and a needle in a haystack, pretty much, on your roof. Right? You know what I mean? You're not going to be caulking it the whole time. You gotta just do it over again, pretty much.
Take me back to Papa Gino's. What was that like? Is that the one in was it Seekonk on the?
No, and I'm not sure if you know Warren, Bristol area. I used to work right off Medicom. That was like my first job in high school. I was grilling steak and cheese sandwiches and meatball subs.
Would they feed you though?
Yeah, for a discount. You had to pay half, pretty much.
Okay.
But that was food service. It's not fun. About 2 years ago, I never done. You know what a mansard is? It's like a square building. It's like very old school colonial kind of. It's where the house has
Chimneys?
not chimneys. It's got like faces that go around the whole thing, and it's not easy to walk. And it's very hard. I had to rent actually a boom lift to be able to work on it.
Wow.
So I thought it'd be a lot easier with the boom lift, but it ended up being very complicated, very expensive. I ended up being like a whole week at the site working. I rented the boom lift for a week, and it was just very expensive, very complicated. My crew was very overworked.
Yeah.
And I ended up not earning a lot of profit that job, but I didn't care about that. I just needed to complete it.
Yep.
Because that's what I'd rather have it done instead of having a pissed off customer and not.
Cool. So you're saying, look at this guy. Do you need a new roof? He heard us talking. He lives up there.